As I'm scrolling through my photos that I took in London last week, I've noticed that one of those ones of me is actually taken sideways and I need to rotate it. Well, it's quite easy to do this on the iPhone, but the way to do it is actually a little bit hidden, so let me show you really quick. At the bottom of my screen, I'm going to tap onto the editing button here that's got like some little sliders on it. And then when I'm in editing mode, I get these new tools that come up at the bottom of my screen. I'm going to tap onto crop on the right hand side, and then at the top of my screen, there's this little button here that I'm going to point at now. This will rotate your image by 90 degrees, which means I can put myself the right way up again. That's much better. There's actually another button at the top here as well that says auto. And if I tap onto there, it's going to rotate the image ever so slightly to try and straighten up the horizon or correct any vertical lines in the picture. So it can be nice to do that as well. And then when I'm finished, I can just press done and it will save that new rotated picture for me in my photo library. And if you want more quick and simple and easy to follow guides for your iPhone, please do subscribe to my channel down below. There are hundreds more videos that will help you make the most of that device you're using right now. I'll see you next time.